Hi, my name is Jennifer Kunzman, and today we're going to talk about the appendicular skeleton. And we're going to use our model again from the model kit. And also for the wrist and hand, we're going to use this as our model because it's larger. Okay, we're going to start with the humerus bone, which is right here. It's the upper arm, the humerus bone. And we're going to talk about the greater tubercle right here and the lesser tubercle on the inside right there. We have the olecranon fossa right here. We have the medial epicondyle right in here and the lateral epicondyle right here. Next, we're going to talk about the radius and ulna bones. The radius bone is right here on the thumb side of our mannequin. The ulna bone is right here on the pinky side of the mannequin. We have the radius head at the top of the radius. We have the styloid process of the radius at the tip. We have the olecranon process at the top of the ulna. And we have the styloid process of the ulna. Now we're going to switch models and we're going to look at the hand right here. And we're going to start with the scaphoid bone right here. And beside that we have the lunate bone, then the tricatrum bone, and the pisiform bone. And starting over here, we have the trapezium bone, the trapezoid bone, capitate bone, and the hamate bone. And all these bones in here are the carpals. And these bones to about right through here are the metacarpals. And then we have our fingers, which are the phalanges. Okay, now we're going to switch back to our next model. And we're going to look at the pelvic girdle here. And now we're going to look at the iliac crest at the top. We have the sacroiliac joint right in here. We have the ilium area. We have the pubis area. And we have the ischium area. We have the acetabulum, which is where the hip bone meets the femur, or the femur meets the pelvic girdle, the acetabulum. We have the obturator foramen, which is that hole right there. We have the ischium. And along the outside here, we have the ischial tuberosity. Now we're going to take a look at the femur. So we have our femur bone, our thigh bone. We have the head of our femur. We have the neck of our femur. We have the greater trochanter. And we have the lesser trochanter. We have the medial condyle, which is towards the body side, and the lateral condyle. And we have the knee joint in between, which is the patella. Now we're going to look at our lower leg bones. We have the tibia bone, and we have the fibula bone. We have the anterior crest of the tibia, and we have the medial malleolus on the inside here towards the body, and the lateral malleolus on the outside of the body. And again, we have our patella. And lastly, we're going to look at our foot. We have our tarsal bones through here. We have our metatarsal bones. And we also have our phalanges right here. We have our calcaneus, which is our heel, and we have our talus. And before I finish, I want to show you the sheet that I used to help me remember all the bones, because I forgot to do that in the beginning. And thank you for listening, and goodbye.